Peace, love, and light. Healing through inspiration. Feathers up. Just wanted to show y'all that. But you guys like, comment, subscribe. About to do this opening. So yeah. Alright, y'all know I'm using one hand for this. But so this is this smoothie blender I bought from the store. So yeah, I know I got one handed, so I already took the seal. I haven't opened it per se after that. And I didn't cut the seal. But here it is. Let's see how this thing works. It's called Hamilton Beach. This is not a sponsor, by the way. But hey, if y'all want to, go ahead. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Alright. Alright. Let's see how it goes. Whoop! Sorry! Alright, there, good. Got some peaches. I plan on cutting up a peach or something, dicing that up. Let me see what else is in here. Some paper. You know, we'll read it. If we need to, we'll read that. You know what I'm saying? I like that. I don't think a lot of people like to read blender tips to add food. To add food when blender is operating, remove filler cap from blender. Have and add ingredients to the opening. Oh, okay. Then that's actually neat. For best performance, the minimum amount of liquids of the first recipe is 1 cup, 8 ounces. If blending action stops during blending ingredients sticks to the side of the jar, then you may apply. There may not be enough liquid in the jar to blend efficiently. Okay. Do not try to mash potatoes, mix stiff dough, grind raw meat, or extract juices from fruits and vegetables. Do not blend ingredients such as grains and coffee. The blender is not made to perform these tasks. Okay. Alright. Most of the stuff on there we don't eat, you know that. Nothing of the dead, you dig. We are living. So, how do they box this? Okay. Have enough cardboard? That's what the frick? Alright. There is the motor. There is the motor. Oh, that was the styrofoam. Let's see, we all came here for it. There it is. It's on high, and it's got a pulse, and it's got a grate, it's got an ice crush. Okay. Wow. Okay. I'm sure you guys would like to see this. Oh, my finger was on it. I'm sorry. Let me show you which buttons I was pressing. Let me do it again. Low, high, great, pulse, ice crush, milkshake, smooth, icy drink, off. You know, it's kind of doesn't make any difference when it's like this. I don't know about you guys, but we like to wash things even if they come out of the package. So this has to get washed, and then we'll let you know how things are. But anyways, just wanted to make this a quick video, but make you guys know. Let me know what you guys think of this. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. I was gonna say that, and also too, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you could do that. We got the information in the description box. I sending us email info Healing Through Inspiration, or you could just DM us on Instagram if you're not following us there already. And if you want to see what we do with a peach, you know what I'm saying, you could definitely check out the video. Most definitely that's coming up. That's for sure. You could do that by hitting the bell notification. Also, if you guys want to start a business and you don't have one, you could do that by getting with our course down in the description box. And also, too, we got a one-of-a-kind artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop, as well as our American Meaning shirt, other American apparel, original forward socks, original caps, you know, other great things to come. This is truly awesome. This is a blissful gift. I'm very glad that you guys clicked on this, and I'm very glad that you guys continue to watch the journey, because this is most definitely growth. All right, peace, love, and light. Originals, wear your feathers, y'all.